What's up, guys? Welcome back to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. My name is Justin, and today I've got a gorgeous 1972 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray for you here. This car is absolutely unbelievable. It is believed to be all original, including the paint, interior, exterior, engine, and transmission. And it is the numbers matching engine and transmission, which we are really proud to have. With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and start up front. As you can see, this car does have the metal bumper here, and it is in very, very good condition. Corvettes obviously were known for these notorious flip-up headlights as well as the round taillights, and this car does have both of those, obviously. This is your C3 Corvette, the third generation of the Corvette, which is just an absolute gorgeous car. It looks super fast. It looks just, the body lines on this car, unlike any other vehicle that were ever made, and in my opinion, it's just absolutely gorgeous. As we move on down, you'll see this does have the Corvette Rally wheels here, as well as your Stingray badging on the left side here. As we continue, you will see this car is a T-top vehicle. You can take the T-tops off, or you can leave them on to have that kind of coupe look, which is one of my favorite looks in a vehicle as well. Continuing down, you will see we do have the luggage rack back here. I do have a folder here with tons of documentation on this car, which is another added benefit to this car. It's got tons of pedigree, everything from the original window sticker, extra set of keys, original installment sale contract. We've got a Protecto plate back here as well, and tons and tons of receipts that have been put into this vehicle. So this one is well documented and super, super clean. But yeah, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead and hop up front and look up under the hood at this numbers matching 350. All right, guys, take a look at that beautiful engine bay here. As you can see, this engine bay does look pretty original, how it would come from the factory in 1972. This was a factory air conditioning car, and the air conditioning does still work to this day. It blows cold, and also when it's on heat, it blows nice and hot. You have your chrome air breather up here. Also have your power brakes, as well as your mechanical fan up there up front. But engine bay is mostly stock, guys. Looks how it kind of would coming out of the factory. Enough being said about that. Let's go ahead and hop on the red interior and see how that looks. All right, guys, as you can see, we're inside the 72 Corvette here, and from what we believe, this vehicle is pretty much all original. You got your original dash, original steering wheel, original interior, original carpet, and it all seems to be in very, very good condition. All of your gauges work, your RPM, your tach, all of your oil, fuel, water temp gauges here. You got your AM, FM radio that came from the factory. Down here, you have your automatic transmission shifter, as well as your AC controls here. The AC on this car, as I mentioned previously, does work, which is really, really rare and quite honestly pretty amazing. You also have a little a little sticker here that shows 350 cubic inch, 360 pounds of torque, and 8.5 to 1 compression ratio on that numbers matching V8. But really impressive inside here. It's pretty much a time capsule. It feels like I stepped back into 1972 when I sat in this car. But with that being said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and turn this thing on, get a cold start, and toss it up on the lift and take a look up underneath it. All right, guys, as you can see, we're underneath the 1972 Chevrolet Corvette here. As you can see, the front suspension is all in really good condition. We believe it's been replaced recently. Moving on down, you got a nice Chevy orange painted engine block here that seems to be in super good condition. No drips, anything like that. You got your exhaust pipes here running both sides. Above me right now, we have our 3-speed Hydromatic TH350 transmission. And guys, take a look how clean the floorboards are on this vehicle. It's pretty impressive for a 50-year-old vehicle that you can wipe your fingers and barely have any sort of dust on your hand there. But continuing down, you will see your drive axle is in very good condition, as well as your leaf spring independent rear suspension. As we know, Corvette is known for their independent rear suspension, and the leaf spring went up to the C7. But yeah, guys, this car is just really impressively clean under here. You do also have four-wheel disc brakes, which I did forget to mention, but I do want to mention that as well. Stops the car very well, and it's very impressive. But yeah, guys, with that being said, if you're interested in this Corvette, please do not hesitate to reach out to us at 770-738-7111, or you can take a look at more pictures on our website at www.collectiblemotorcarofatlanta.com. Chris, my partner, or Justin, myself, will be happy to help you out with shipping, financing, or any questions that you may have. So With that, guys, please go ahead and reach out to us and we'll be happy to help you. We'll see you next time.